Ever wondered how drugs are developed in pharmaceutical companies? Watch this video till end to know the process. The journey of a single pill from concept to consumer is a fascinating one, intricately woven around scientific precision, innovation, and a deep understanding of human biology. At the heart of this process are formulation scientists who work tirelessly to ensure that every drug is not only effective but also safe for consumption. The complexity and precision involved in drug development are immense. So let's dive in to understand the steps involved in formulation development. The journey of a drug from a lab to your medicine cabinet is quite fascinating. Let's begin with pre-formulation studies. Here, the physical and chemical properties of the active ingredient are thoroughly examined. This sets the foundation for how the drug will be developed. Next is formulation design and development. Here, scientists decide the best way to deliver the drug into your system. Is it going to be a tablet, a liquid, or maybe a capsule? The goal is to ensure that the drug is effective and can be easily consumed. Stability studies follow next. These studies test how the drug behaves under different conditions. Does it remain stable in high heat or freezing temperatures? This is crucial because the drug needs to maintain its effectiveness from the factory to your medicine cabinet. The scale-up process comes next. Now the drug has to be produced on a larger scale for clinical trials and ultimately for commercial production. This is a delicate stage, as maintaining the same quality on a larger scale can be challenging. Post-approval research then takes place, where the drug is monitored in the real world. This helps in identifying any unexpected side effects or interactions with other medications. Finally, we reach the launch stage. The drug is now ready to be distributed and consumed. These steps, while complex, ensure that the drugs we consume are both safe and effective. The role of a formulation scientist is challenging, yet rewarding. This dynamic role can see you working on a variety of tasks, from creating new drugs to improving the delivery of existing ones. You could find yourself exploring the mysteries of the human body or delving into the complexities of chemical interactions. As a formulation scientist, your salary can vary widely, depending on your experience and the company you work for. However, it's important to note that your passion and dedication to the field can lead to substantial financial rewards. India, being a global hub for pharmaceuticals, offers numerous opportunities for aspiring formulation scientists. Companies such as Sun Pharma, Cipla, and Dr. Reddy's Laboratories are just a few that frequently hire professionals in this field. Navigating the regulatory landscape is a crucial part of this role, and that's where the expertise of a pharmacist comes in. Their knowledge helps ensure that all formulations are safe, effective, and compliant with regulations. A career as a formulation scientist can be a fulfilling choice, especially for those with a keen interest in pharmaceuticals. Like any other field, formulation development comes with its own set of challenges. One of the major hurdles faced by formulation scientists is the complexity of diseases and the intricacies of drug delivery. Each disease is unique, and so is the human body's response to medication. This necessitates the creation of innovative, effective, and safe drug delivery systems that can combat diseases effectively. Formulation scientists constantly work to overcome these challenges, developing different types of formulations like tablets, capsules, injectables, and topical applications. Their objective is not just to create a drug that works, but to ensure that it is delivered to the right place in the body, at the right time, and in the right dosage. The journey is tough, but the reward is immense. The satisfaction of contributing to healthcare and improving lives is unmatched. If you found our content interesting and wish to learn more about the world of pharmaceuticals, do subscribe to our channel and share this video with any aspiring students who wish to work as formulation scientists. Thank you for learning and sharing.